Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Aloo Tikki Chaat. Take 5 to 6 boiled potatoes. Mash it well. Add 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 3 tablespoons rice flour, half teaspoon chili flakes, salt to taste, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon crushed fennel seeds, half teaspoon coriander cumin powder, quarter teaspoon black salt, quarter teaspoon red chili powder, quarter teaspoon chaat masala or amchur powder, chopped chilies as per taste, handful of fresh coriander leaves. Combine well. Forms dough. It's time to make tikkis. Grease your palms with oil. Take some portion of the mixture. Make balls. Flatten it with your palms slightly. Make patty as shown. Again, take some amount of mixture. Make ball. Flatten it. Shape it into cutlet. Repeat the same procedure for all. Refrigerate for 10 minutes. Heat up the oil for frying. It's time to fry the patties. Place the tikkis in medium hot oil. Fry the tikkis until crispy golden brown. Flip the sides. Be careful, they are fragile. Cook on the other side as well until it's crisp and golden brown in color. All tikkis has been fried nicely. Remove it. Let's hear the crunch. Let me show you another one. Hear the crunchiness. Let's assemble tikki chaat. Place patties in a serving dish. Slightly mashing it with a spoon. Put crushed papdi. Pour beaten sweetened curd. I added powdered sugar and black salt in it. Drizzle a good amount of sweet tamarind chutney. Pour green chutney. Take cumin, red chili powder and black salt. Sprinkle some black salt. Some red chili powder. Cumin powder. Some chaat masala. Finely chopped tomato. Finely chopped onion. Add toppings as per your preference. Again, layer with sweetened curd. Sweet chaat chutney. Green chutney. Top it up with nylon sev or bhujia, coriander leaves. Add some pomegranate. Serve it immediately. You can also serve like a street vendor does. Take a paper tray. Place crispy tikkis. Break it. Crushed papdi. Pour sweetened curd. Drizzle sweet tamarind chaat chutney. Mint chutney. Cumin, chili, black salt and chaat masala. Sprinkle it. Onion. Tomato. Pour sweetened curd. Drizzle chutneys again. Sweet. Green chutney. Top it up with nylon sev. Coriander. Pomegranate. street-style Taka Aloo Tikki Chaat is ready to enjoy. Do try this super delicious Tikki Chaat recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.